Good morning, good morning, good morning. We back for another day. Hey Milo, pull up, man. My boy got a new haircut. I gotta show you guys how he look, man. He's so cute. Milo, come here, my boy. Look at him. Look at my boy. Look at my boy. He got a new haircut. Look at him. Look at him. He's so cute. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Isn't he adorable? He is adorable. Got his whole back shaved, all that. Look at that. He's like a naked cat right now, but he's adorable. Anyway, we're about to start the live call with the VIP, with the gangy. Tap in, because we're about to get lit right now. Let's go. I feel good. I feel good. After the workout from just now, I didn't get to record the workout because, I just don't be walking around with my camera all day, but we here. Let's lock in. Let's go. What's up, gang? What's up, gang? Good morning, y'all. What's the word? What's the word? How y'all feeling? How y'all feeling today? We good? Everybody feeling good? Everybody active. We got the gang. We got the gang. Let's go. Yo, Angelo, say what's up to the YouTube. Cal, say what up, yo. Yeah, we active. So my boy Gustavo got munchas. What? All right, I'm messing it up. Look, this is what it's called. It's like some beef jerkies, bussin'. You heard me? Bussin'. I usually don't eat this early in the morning, but for Gustavo, we locking in early, man. I could definitely see buys on 30 seeing this big push up. Might have a pullback for another continuation in the trend. Let's see. Yeah, 9:30 turn up. Let's get into something. Not gonna lie, I feel conflicted today. I'm kind of confused with where the market wants to go. The 1 hour looks bullish. The 15-minute time frame looks bearish. I might call it a no trade. Let me show you real quick. Look at the 1 hour time frame where we have this bullish trend. We had a big push yesterday. We could possibly come down and make another push. But if you drop down to the 15-minute time frame, on the 15-minute time frame, you can see that price from the highs is starting to create lows, and it's going lower. What should I do? I was looking at this sell, but as I was saying, the high time frame is just not in alignment. Taking this trade would have been a quick stop loss. Yeah, definitely not taking no trades today. I don't want to get crushed up in the big ranges that's today. So I just didn't take no trades. It is what it is. Sitting on my hands, staying patient, I'm practicing the skill of discipline, staying patient, and just not forcing a trade. It is what it is. I think it's a good discipline to learn. I think it's a good thing that I'm choosing not to take a trade, even though I could have and I can. So I'm still around the charts with the guys too. As you can see, we still active. Everybody's still here, still around the charts, but I ain't trading today. I'm straight for the day. It's about to be 11 o'clock, and look, 30 been stuck in this 400-point range for a whole hour, bro. Crazy. See why I ain't trading today? You see? You see why I ain't trading today? This Trump market is different. I'm telling you, it's so different. I'm getting out of here, for real. So, as y'all know, I eat the same thing every day. But when I was on the charts, I wasn't really around the charts the whole time. I was out here making breakfast in my kitchen. And as usual, I got the regular breakfast meal. I got my eggs, I got my plantain, I got my avocados, and I got my chicken. Come on, W breakfast, check it out. Same thing every single day. Come on, baby.
While I pop a bottle off of your chain swinging, clang clang, and it costs a lot. I'm always at the guala, yeah, and you are not bad. Keep on going till you hit the spot. Whoa, I'm a big bag hunter.
Yo, I feel sick right now, bro. Like you ever go to sleep just like perfectly fine? Like your day was okay. Like you didn't feel no type of way yesterday. and then you wake up and you feel crazy. Like, I feel crazy right now. Like, what happened overnight? What did I do? Did I do something? I didn't sleep with the fan on. I had no AC on. It's still winter time. Like, what happened between last night and now? I even went for a run this morning. That was decent. I didn't feel it, nothing crazy. It wasn't until after the run I felt crazy sick. But I wear layers on top of layers to go run. So I don't understand. I wear like 4 layers of clothes just to go run every day, and the weather's getting better. So I don't even know how to explain this, bro. I feel sick. But look at my guy. Look at my guy, Milo. Look. Milo, you ready for your walk, bro? You ready for your walk, bro? He ready for his walk. We gonna go for a walk, buddy. We gonna go for a walk. Let's go. All right. I got you, buddy. When in doubt, pull one of these out, bro. Emergencies. About to pop this in this water bottle and get busy, cause ain't no way. But I'm out of here. Today has been a really disciplined day for me. A disciplined week, if I'm being honest. I haven't had a real disciplined week like this in a little bit. But, after reviewing my journal, after doing like my back testing sessions, I've come to a conclusion where I came to this conclusion for this period of time in trading for me personally. It's more like I have to just take trades that go with the trend. If I can't identify the trend on the 1 hour time frame and the 15-minute time frame, if they're not in alignment, I'm not even going to take that trade. Like, if the 1 hour looking bullish, 15-minute looking bearish, I'm not taking no trade on the 1 minute. That's just what it is. That's what it got to be. That Monday was, I think it was an L day. Tuesday, no trade. Tuesday, break even. Wednesday, break even. Today, no trade. So overall, it is an L week. We still do have tomorrow, so we're going to stay disciplined for tomorrow too. But I'm not forcing nothing, I have a journal, and I review the journal for a reason. I review the journal so I can learn. I can learn from what's happening within the market, and I can make course corrections to be in alignment with what's happening currently. That's the whole purpose of the journal. So if I use a journal to learn from my mistakes, so I can see what I'm doing within the market, and learn from that course correct, but I'm not learning from my mistakes because I keep doing the same mistakes, then why am I journaling? You feel me? Why am I doing all this? So, according to my journal, according to my backtesting, it's come to my attention. Again, it's been like the theme of the month, really. Just to not force any trades, trade with the trend. Don't try to, predict where the market is going when it's not showing you that. That's like me just trying to find a trade idea to take when there's no trade idea. There's nothing there. I'm just creating it because I want to take a trade. I want to be a part of it. And it's definitely something I've been struggling with, is as far as just trying to always be in a trade every day. Feeling like I need to trade. Like if I show up to the charts, I need to press a button. I need to press a buy or sell button. I need to. But I don't. I don't need to. You don't need to. Nobody needs to. The market's not forcing us to do this stuff. We are choosing to press buy or sell voluntarily. And I'm like, I'm not no longer doing that anymore. Well, I'm gonna just say, for right now, that's the purpose right now. I'm trying to implement that where I'm not going to try to force a trade, not trying to force a setup. I'm only gonna pick the setups that make sense as far as my trading strategy, as far as my edge in the market, as far as the trend. Because I am a trend trader, if I'm being honest. I am a trend trader. That's just what I am. So it's like just sticking to the trend, trying to find the trend and try to trade the trend. It's easier just to go with the big boys and trade with them because most likely you're going to be more right than wrong. And they're the one that's really pushing the markets in a direction anyways. So why not trade with them? Why not try to be on their side? Why not try to trade in the alignment with what they're doing. That's pretty much what I'm trying to do, especially seeing like all this Trump news and stuff like that. Trump market conditions is different. BTW, just different. It's not normal. It's not nothing that we ever seen before. It's very different. We probably seen this late COVID, which was like 2020, 2019, 2020. But listen, it's different. So I'm just trying to trade with the trend and stay in alignment with the trend and go like that route. You feel me? And another thing really I've been figuring out too is it's because I've been trying to control the speed of when I get to the desired outcome that I want in trading. Which is why I've been trying to force trades, because I feel like I need to pass a challenge, or I need to get a payout, or I need to lock in some profit. You feel me? I need to get some money today. Which forced me to press the buy or sell button when there was nothing there. You know, we as traders, we often put this pressure on ourselves to make money right now, or try to force an outcome, a desired outcome, because we want it to happen so badly. We desire to win. We desire to make money. So we feel like when we show up to the markets, this is the opportunity to make money. When the markets show us endless opportunity to make money, which is true, but it doesn't mean that we have to do it today. It doesn't mean that we're going to win today. If you show up to the markets on any given day and you just say, I'm going to win today, that does not mean you're going to win. Just because you believe you're going to win, just because you have a feeling that this trade is going to work out, or today should be your day, or it feels like a good day to trade, or whatever the case is, that doesn't mean you're going to win. That doesn't mean that you have the a ball, a globe in your hand that just predicts when you're going to win or lose, and you just know when your edge is going to work or not. If you know your edge is a 50% win rate, so out of 100 trades you'll win 50, or out of 10 trades you'll win 5. If you show up to the charts, just know that today could be a loss, or it could be a win. Who knows? I don't know. But saying that you need to win today, or putting a timeline on when you should be winning, is the reason why you take on losses like the way you are, or the way I am too. Sometimes I'm taking losses because I'm putting a timeline on my beliefs on what the outcomes I should be getting out of the markets. Where I'm coming to the charts and being like, or just in the day, just me planning out my life or having goals or whatever. Like, all right, in the next 6 months, I want to have 50K in profit payouts, or just payouts in general, and money from assets from the market, money from the market. But that doesn't necessarily have to happen. We come to the markets to show up and execute our edge. And whether or not our edge works, we must leave. The outcome is undecided, but we can't control the outcome. We can only execute our edge. We can only execute in accordance to the way we know how to trade, based on the data we have collected via journaling, via back testing, via recording your trade session and forward testing, etc., etc. But you cannot control the outcomes. You can only control the way you execute your trades. So having better executions, having better risk management, having better trade management when you're in a trade, managing the trade better. All that stuff is what you can control. But you can't control whether or not you're going to win. You can't control whether or not today is going to be the day you lose. You just show up and execute and hope for the best. And that's really what you can do, and what you should be hoping for from the markets. The markets don't owe you anything. Nobody owes you anything. You have to just show up every day and stay disciplined. And that's what I'm coming to. Like, I have to just show up every single day, be disciplined, just like I am in real life. Running, eating right, doing what I'm supposed to do, creating these videos, dropping knowledge, dropping wisdom, game, value, etc., whatever you want to call it. Doing the work that I have to do, even when I don't want to do it. Just like trading, doing what I'm supposed to do, even when I don't want to do it. Look at the charts, just came back. Look at that big drop off, bro. Look at the markets. Wow. That's crazy. Just came back and I see the markets dropped off crazy. Like I couldn't see that this morning. I couldn't. I probably could have seen it, but if it just wasn't in alignment. So I decided just to not to trade. And I don't have no FOMO. I didn't have any, no anxiety like I need to take a trade. I just didn't take a trade. And it is what it is. I'll come back tomorrow. And if the same thing is there, I just won't take a trade. I'm just going to wait for the best possible setups. Then I'll go crazy with those setups. Instead of trying to force the outcomes to happen, I'm just going to control the controllables with what I do on the charts, pressing the buy or the sell button, and then I'll just go from there. But that's my video, y'all. Thank you guys for watching. I love y'all so much. Please keep coming back to the video. Please leave a like and subscribe down below. So, the Instagram algorithm is going to know that people like this video. And it's a good video for other people to follow or to see. If you gain any knowledge, any insights, any value from this video, share it to your friends. I appreciate y'all from the bottom of my heart. Till next time, peace out.